Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I am Dr. Asad Saleem. Before commencing video, make sure to click on subscribe on YouTube channel for exploring extensive topic on health. Now starting with pregnancy. It is an incredible journey, a time of immense change and anticipation as a new life grows within you. From the moment of conception to the day you hold your baby, your body undergoes an amazing transformation. This period is divided into 3 trimesters, each marking distinct stages of fetal development. Understanding these stages and the changes they bring is essential for every expectant mother. Throughout this journey, knowledge is power. Being informed about your health, your baby's development, and the resources available to you can make all the difference. Let's delve into the world of pregnancy, exploring the latest advancements in diagnostics, nutrition, and care. Pregnancy often announces itself through subtle bodily changes. Missed periods, tender breasts, and morning sickness are common early indicators, though each woman's experience is unique. If you suspect you might be pregnant, home pregnancy tests offer a convenient first step. These tests detect the presence of human chorionic gonadotropin, or HCG, a hormone produced during pregnancy, in your urine. For definitive confirmation, consult your healthcare provider. They can perform a blood test, which is even more sensitive in detecting HCG, and can also help determine how far along you are. Early prenatal care is crucial for monitoring your health and your baby's development. Beta-HCG is often called the pregnancy hormone for a reason. Produced by the cells that will eventually form the placenta, its presence in your blood and urine signals the start of a pregnancy. During the first trimester, beta-HCG levels rise rapidly, doubling every 48 to 72 hours. This surge plays a vital role in supporting the pregnancy, helping to maintain the production of other essential hormones. As your pregnancy progresses into the second and third trimesters, HCG levels gradually decline. Monitoring these levels throughout your pregnancy provides valuable information about your baby's growth and well-being. The first trimester is a period of rapid development for your baby. From a single fertilized egg, cells divide and differentiate to form all the major organs and systems. During these critical weeks, your baby is most vulnerable to environmental influences. Adopting healthy habits such as eating a balanced diet and avoiding alcohol and smoking is paramount. Regular prenatal appointments are essential during this time. Your healthcare provider will monitor your health, track your baby's growth, and address any concerns you may have. Section 5. Nourishing 2. Essential nutrients for you and your baby. Pregnancy increases your body's demand for essential nutrients, providing the building blocks for your baby's growth and development. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats is essential. Certain nutrients are particularly crucial during pregnancy. Folate, found in leafy greens and fortified foods, is vital for preventing neural tube defects. Iron, abundant in red meat and beans, supports healthy blood flow for both you and your baby. Calcium, found in dairy products and fortified plant-based milk, is essential for strong bones and teeth. Ensure you're consuming enough of these and other key nutrients through your diet or with the guidance of your healthcare provider. Beyond diet, supplements play a crucial role in ensuring a healthy pregnancy. While a healthy diet should be your primary source of nutrients, prenatal vitamins can help bridge any nutritional gaps. These supplements typically contain higher doses of folic acid, iron, and other essential vitamins and minerals. Your healthcare provider can recommend a prenatal vitamin tailored to your specific needs. They can also advise on whether you require additional supplements, such as vitamin D for bone health or omega-3 fatty acids for brain development. Remember, supplements should complement, not replace, a healthy diet. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements during pregnancy. The promise of stem cells represents a new frontier in pregnancy care. Stem cell research holds immense promise for the future of medicine, including pregnancy care. These remarkable cells have the unique ability to develop into various cell types, potentially offering new treatments for both mother and baby. For expectant mothers, stem cell therapy could offer solutions for pregnancy-related complications, such as preeclampsia or gestational diabetes. Researchers are exploring ways to use stem cells to repair damaged tissues and organs. For babies, stem cells collected from the umbilical cord blood at birth can be stored and potentially used to treat a range of diseases later in life. Cord blood banking is becoming increasingly popular as parents recognize the future possibilities of this valuable resource. Empowering your pregnancy journey starts with knowledge. Pregnancy is a transformative experience, filled with both joys and challenges. By arming yourself with knowledge and seeking support from healthcare professionals, you can navigate this journey with confidence. Remember, every pregnancy is unique. Stay informed about the latest advancements in prenatal care, nutrition, and research. Ask questions, advocate for your needs, and trust your instincts. Above all, cherish this special time. Embrace the changes, celebrate milestones, and connect with your growing baby. Your body is capable of incredible things. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. What are your biggest questions about pregnancy? Share your thoughts, experiences, and tips in the comments below. Let's support each other on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like and share this post with other expectant parents.